Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuit toys. Start with gathering your supplies. You'll need soft fabric like felt or fleece in various colors. Grab a needle, some sturdy thread, and a sharp pair of scissors. Don't forget your stuffing material, such as polyester fiberfill, to give your biscuit toy its plump shape. For an extra playful touch, you might want to include a small squeaker inside. This first step ensures you have everything at hand for a smooth crafting process. Next, draw two identical biscuit shapes onto your chosen fabric. Think about a classic round or slightly irregular biscuit outline. Carefully cut out both fabric pieces. Now, place these two pieces with their right sides facing each other. Using your needle and thread, sew around the entire edge, leaving a small opening of about 1.5 inches unsewn. This opening is crucial for turning and stuffing. Once sewn, turn your biscuit toy right side out through the small opening you left. Use a blunt tool, like a chopstick, to gently push out all the edges and curves. Now, begin filling the toy firmly with your stuffing material, ensuring it's evenly distributed for a good shape. If you're adding a squeaker, place it in the center before you finish stuffing. Finally, hand sew the opening closed using a ladder stitch for a seamless finish. To give your biscuit toy that authentic look, it's time for details. Use embroidery floss in a contrasting color to create small holes or texture on the surface, mimicking a real biscuit. You can make simple French knots or small straight stitches. Ensure all embellishments are securely attached so they are safe for play. With these final touches, your adorable handmade biscuit toy is ready for its new owner to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.